What's the meaning of African violet? African violet. African violet. African violet. African violet. African violet. African violet is a plant species native to Tanzania and surrounding regions in East Africa. Its scientific name is St. Paulia ionantha. The plant features small fuzzy leaves and produces delicate purple flowers. African violets are a popular indoor houseplant due to their ease of care and attractive appearance. They prefer bright, indirect light and consistent moisture. With proper care, African violets can bloom throughout the year. They are often used as a decorative accent in homes and offices, and can also be given as a gift for special occasions.